Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing in 10th standard mathematics quadratic equations assignment number 14. Now in that first question, see here, find the nature of the roots of 3x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So the given quadratic equation is 3x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So if a quadratic equation, the roots are depending upon the discriminant of a equation. So now we are finding a discriminant of the equation. So first write the coefficients. A is equals to 3 and B is equals to minus 5 and C is equals to 6. Now the discriminant of the equation is D is equals to B square minus 4AC. Substitute in that formula. So discriminant is equals to B minus 5 whole square minus of 4 into A value is 3 and C value is 6. So minus 5 whole square is 25 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 6s are 72. If you are subtracting 25 minus 72, we'll get minus 47. Here the discriminant value is negative. If the discriminant value is less than 0, then we said that the nature of the roots are not real, they are imaginary, right? So here the discriminant is less than 0, right? So less than 0 means the roots are not real. Roots are not real. It means they are imaginary numbers, so not real. Now coming to the next one. Find the discriminant of x square minus 7. So find the discriminant of x square minus 7. So now here if you observe that what kind of quadratic equation it is, x square minus 7 equals to 0. So see here children, x square minus 7 is a pure quadratic equation. X square minus 7 is a pure quadratic equation. Here the linear term is not there. So here the linear term is not present. So we are introducing a dummy linear term 0 into x minus 7 equals to 0. Now write the coefficients of x square, that is a value is 1 and coefficient of x b is equals to 0 and c is equals to minus 7. Now he is asking about our discriminant. Discriminant of the equation is b square minus 4ac. So d is equals to b square, that is 0 square minus 4 into a value is 1 and c value is minus 7. So 0 minus into minus is plus, 4 7s are 28. So now here the discriminant of the equation is 28. Option A. Next one. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 4x minus 5 equals to 0, then find the value of 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. So see children here, now the solution, given equation that is a 3x square minus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. Then here write the coefficients of x square and x, that is a is equals to 3 and b is equals to, let it be, minus 4 and c is constant term, that is minus 5. Now find first sum of the roots. Sum of the roots of a quadratic equation alpha plus beta is minus b by a, so which is equals to minus of minus 4 by 3, that is minus into minus plus 4 by 3. Now the product of the roots alpha into beta is c by a. C value is here minus 5 by 3. So what he is asking about 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Now I will convert into 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square in terms of, so now this value 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square, now I will convert into sum of the roots and product of the roots. Do a cross multiplication and take LCM. Alpha square and beta square is alpha square and beta square. Do cross multiplication, then alpha square plus beta square. Now while adding these two, so alpha square plus beta square, we have a one identity is there. A square plus b square, we can write it as a plus b whole square minus 2 into ab. A square plus b square, we can write it as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So substitute in the formula alpha square plus beta square, we can write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 into alpha beta by alpha beta whole square. Now all are in terms of sum of the roots and product of the roots. We know the sum of the roots and product of the roots. Sum of the root is 4 by 3 and product of the root is minus 5 by 3. Substitute in that formula. So 4 by 3 whole square minus 2 into minus 5 by 3 by minus 5 by 3 whole square. Here if you simplify this, 16 by 9 minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10 by 3 by 5 square minus 5 square value is 25 by 3 square value is 9. If you simplify this, take LCM of 9 and 3 is 9 is the LCM, then 16 plus 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are 30 by 25 by 9. Here 9 get cancelled. What is remaining? So 16 plus 30 is 46 by 25. So here 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square value is 46 by 25. Now coming to the next question. Find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equals to 0 by using formula. So here he is asking to find roots of the equation by using the formula method. By using formula method, what is the formula? X is equals to minus b plus over minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So use that formula. Now the given equation, given quadratic equation, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. Write the coefficients of x square, x, and constant, that is a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 7 and c is equals to 5. Now by using formula method, by using formula, roots of quadratic equation is or are, so x is equals to, what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Right, substitute in that formula. So x is equals to minus of minus 7 plus or minus root over b square, that is minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value is 5 by 2 into a value is 2. So simplify this, minus into minus plus 7 plus or minus root over 7 square value is 49 minus, so 4 2s are 8 or 2 5s are 10 and 10 4s are 40 by 4. So now 7 plus or minus root over 49 minus 40 is 9 by 4. See children, 7 plus or minus 3 by 4. So now I am taking a first positive value. So 7 plus 3 by 4, that is a 10 by 4. Value is 5, 2 5s are and 2 2s are. So x value is 5 by 2 and another x value is, now I am subtracting 7 minus 3 by 4, that is 4 by 4, the value is 1. So what are the x values? Roots, x is equals to 5 by 2 comma 1. These two are x values. Solution of the quadratic equation or the roots of the quadratic equation. Now coming to the next one. if a polygon of n sides has 1 by n 1 by 2 into n minus 3 diagonals, this is the formula of if a polygon having n side, then the number of diagonals of a polygon formula half n into n minus 3. So how many sides will a polygon having a 65 diagonals? Then if a polygon having 65 diagonals, then how many sides it is having? The polygon having how many sides if the diagonals are 65? So now number of sides of polygon is equals to n. N is the number of sides of a polygon. Now formula for number of diagonals is already given. Formula for number of diagonals, half into n into n minus 3. So he is given that if a polygon having 65 diagonals, then a number of sides. So if a diagonal having a 65 diagonals, then it is having how many sides? Now if you simplify this, 65 into 2 n into n is n square minus 3n. 65 into 2 is 130. Send to other hand side, that is n square minus 3n minus 130 is equals to 0. See here, n square minus 3n minus 130 is equals to 0. So you use a formula or by factorization method, you should do it. So now I am doing 130, right? See here children. So 1 into 130 is 130. This is a very easy to calculate, or if you are splitting the middle term, linear term, this is very easy. 2 65s and 5 I think so 10 2 5s are 10 into 13. So 10 into 13, if you subtracting 13 minus 10 is 3n, right? So n square minus 13n minus 10n, sorry, plus 10n minus 130 is equals to 0. See here, in these two terms take n as common, n minus 13, take plus 10 as common, n minus 13 is equals to 0. So take n minus 13 as common, then remaining are n plus 10 is equals to 0. If n minus 13 equals to 0, n is equals to 13, or n plus 10 equals to 0, so n is equals to minus 10. So number of sides is always a positive. We should not take a negative values. Why? It is a physical quantity. A physical quantity is never be a negative value. So here what we consider, n is equals to 13. X can't be negative. X can't be negative. So sorry, n can't be negative. So n is equals to 13. It means number of sides is of a polygon is 13 if it is having 65 sides. If a diagonal having 65 sides, then the polygon having 13 sides. Got it? Thank you, students.